welcome to Sahaj Shiksha Learning app. So students, how are you everyone? Good. Okay, so we have seen the previous video, the lesson about the animals, the king choice. Okay, and I hope you enjoy that lot. Okay, so today we are going to learn the new topic, the new section of writing, and that is seeing eyes, helping hands. Okay students, so this is the fifth topic, fifth lesson of your textbook. Yes, so let's see. So see student, in this topic, in this lesson, they have given the type of invitation. The type of invitation when the program is there in your school, in your office, at your home. Yes, that time we are inviting all the guests, yes, all the friends, all the neighbors. Yes, so how we are inviting them? Yes, by the notice, by phone call, then by the letters, yes, by the invitation card. So many types are there. Yes, by there we are just inviting all the peoples to the functions. Okay, so there are some types of invitation they have given in this lesson. So let's see. Yes, seeing eyes, helping hands. Everyone in New Vision High School was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. Okay students, so see, the name of this lesson is Seeing Eyes, Helping Hand. Means see, it is about which they are blind. They are blind person, and for their the school, the class, the students, and also the principal wants to help that people which are blind. Yes, so they have naming that project the Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Helping hands means what? The people, they want to help that blind people. Okay students, so this is the meaning of the heading of this lesson. Yes, so we'll see everyone in New Vision High School was busy. Okay, so here is the program is held in the one of the school, and that the name is New Vision High School. Okay, so in the every part of New Vision High School was very busy. Why they were busy? Because they have arranged one function, and that was Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Okay, so in that preparation of that function, they all have just busy. Okay, so see, the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. Okay, so there was the function was next week. So the function was inauguration of that project. Yes, inauguration means what? Yes, to opening ceremony. Yes, so it was getting late for sending out the invitation. Yes, why were they all are busy? Yes, because they was getting late to send the invitation to all the guest member. Yes, so see, at last the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. Yes, so who has prepared the formal invitation to send all the guests? Correct, principal of that New Vision High School. Okay, so see, the art teacher and her students made copies of it. Okay, so from that school, the art teacher and her some students, they have designed that invitation very nicely, which prepared by principal of that school. Okay, so here is the sample of what they did. Okay, so in this page they have given that notice, means that invitation card which prepared that principal of school. Okay, so you can see on your screen the invitation card of this function. Yes, so see, they have prepared a nice invitation card with nice designing. Yes, nice presenting. Yes, with the colorful font, and see, they have written very nicely. It has presented very clearly. Yes, so main points they have written in the big font. Yes, with the dark color. So how and what the points they have included in this invitation, we'll read it point by point. Okay, so see, first line they have written, we solicit your presence of the inauguration of the project. Okay, so the polite they have written, this is the request to you which the guest they will send this invitation. They want to tell that person that we solicit your presence, means yes, we just want your presence in our inauguration of this project. Okay, now next they have written there the project name. What was the project name? Yes, Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. So this is their project name and they have written in bold letters, yes, in big font. Yes, why they have written like this? Because this is the main attractive thing of that invitation card, because when any guest or any member, any person will get the invitation in his hand, his or their eyes, it has to attract to that project name. So they have written in the bold. Okay, now next, at the hands of Srimati Vimala Naik. Okay, so who is going to inaugurate that program, inaugurate that project? So they have mentioned their first name with the color, with the nice color, and the name was Srimati Vimala Naik. Okay, so she was going to inaugurate that project. So they have written first name of their person. Then Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean. Okay, and then they have written there who is Srimati Vimala Naik. So they have written her designation. Yes, who was she? So, former principal of New Vision High School. So, former means what? Yes. So, before that, before some days, she has the principal of this New Vision School, and maybe she has retired or she has moved someone. So, the former means she had the principal of this school before some months or before some years. So, they have written here former. Okay. Former principal of New Vision High School. And President Sahayak Samaj. Okay, so she was also the president of Sahayak Samaj. This is the one of the Samaj, this is one of the trust, and she has the president of that particular Samaj. Okay, so who was she? Means they have given the information about the person who was going to inaugurate that project. Okay, so let's see the next. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, he was dean. He was dean. Dean means what? Yes, like principal. Principal, it is just main person of school. So the dean it is the main person of hospitals. Yeah, hospitals or big colleges. Yeah, so it is called dean. So he was the dean. Who? Dr. A.M. Chaudhary. Okay, so New Life Medical College and Hospital. Yes, he was dean of New Life Medical College as well as hospital. Yes, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Okay, so with the inauguration of that project, there was also various type of programs in that function. So they have all invited to all the functions. Okay, students, so they have written here who was going to inaugurate that program. Yes, so here in the left side of that card, they have included the time when the program was there. Okay, so the time, then date, and which day was there with the date. Okay, so the time was 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, so in the morning the program was held and the timing was 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and the day was Sunday, 9th July 2017. So, see student, when any person, any chief guest, any member, they just took that invitation card, they has to know about timing. Yes, about timing, date, day, everything. So they have written in bold time and day and date. Okay, and in the another side means right side of the card, they have included the venue. Venue means where. Okay, the program will held where, means what is the place of that program. So venue is Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Okay, so here they have included the venue, means the place of that function where the function will going on. Yes, so and the last of this invitation card, this is the name of who has arranged this program. Yes, so who has sent this invitation card, and that is the name is Suhasini Ambekar. The name is Suhasini Ambekar. Okay, so who was she? Yes, they also have written there who was she? Principal of New Vision High School. So this invitation card was sent by the principal of New Vision High School, and her name was Suhasini Ambekar. Okay, so this is the main point of invitation card, because the receiver, the guest, has to know that who sent this invitation card. Okay, so they have written the name of sender of this invitation card, as well as with the principal also they have written to sender of this invitation card, and the name was V.S. Ajinkya. V.S. Ajinkya, teacher in charge, S-E-H-H. So they have written here the teacher in charge, and he is Ajinkya. Yes, and downside below of that name they have written S-E-H-H. S-E-H-H means what? Yes, seeing eyes, helping hand. This is the program, this is the program name. Okay, and another side also there is one sender name Komal Shelar, Nitin Walke, student secretaries, S-E-H-H. Okay, so they have also included the student secretary's name. Yes, so they have written Komal Shelar and Nitin Walke. They were also the one of the part of this project. So in this manner they have just written the invitation card of their project, their function. Okay students, so in this manner you also write the invitation card of the function which you are going to arrange in your school, in your home, as well as in your office. Okay, so see, this is the formal invitation of any program. This is the formal invitation. Yes, so in this manner you have to also make the formal invitation. Okay, so these are the points you have to include in the formal invitation of any program. Okay, so let's move to next. Okay, so let's see the next part. Also, a notice was put on the school notice board to invite the students and parents to the inaugural function. Okay, students. So, see, this is the New Vision High School. It has already late for giving invitation all the students and parents, and as well as the chief guest. Okay, so have no time to send all the invitation card to each students, to each parent. Okay, so what they have did? Yes, so they have written the notice and they put it on the notice board of school. Okay, so what is the notice for the students and as well as parents? Yes, so let's see how they have written notice. So see, in this notice they have used a design paper. Yes, colorful paper. Why they have used colorful and design paper? Yes, because this is the invitation of a big program. Yes, it is not a general notice for the students. Yes, so they have used a nice and designed A4 size paper, and they have written there, they have typed there on that paper a nice notice with the correct presentation. Yes, and they have put on the school notice board. So yes, so they can, all the students as well as the parents who coming to the school to talk with the principal, they can also read this notice. Yes, so in this notice they have also used the various colors and the bold words. Okay, so see what is the notice and how they have written. Okay, you can see on your screen notice. So notice this word they have written in bold and big font. Okay, because this is very much important notice of important program. Okay, so they have written here first notice in bold. Students of standard 7th and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project. Okay, so see students, in this school, New Vision School, they have included only 7th standard to this project. Okay, so they have written here students of standard 7th and their parents. So this is the inauguration, this is the invitation of inauguration of the project, and they have written there the name of project with dark color. Okay, and what is the project name? Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Okay, so add the hands up. So again they have written here in the notice who was going to inaugurate, means who was going to open the ceremony. Okay, so the name of Srimati Vimala Naik, and again they have written the designation of that Vimala Naik, means that person. Okay, now see, and President Sahayak Samaj. Okay, so all the information about that person they have written. Okay, next Dr. A.M. Chowdhury, the Dean. Again they have written who was going to come in that function, that person name and his information they have written below. Okay, so New Life Medical College and Hospital has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Okay, so this both the person they have invited to the whole function. Okay, and again they have added time and venue. Okay, so what was the time? 10 to 11, Sunday, and 9 July 2017, and the last is venue. Yes, so where is the function? This is very important question, and they have answered here as a venue, Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Okay, so they have answered all the question of reader. Yes, to whom they are going to send the invitation card, all the questions it has, yes, in their mind. So the answers has written in this notice. Okay, and this notice is for students as well as parents. Which standard? Correct, 7th standard student and their parents. So see student, this is the written notice. This is the second type of invitation card, and this is the written notice. Okay, so this is the written notice, but how we have to write this written notice? Have you seen? So in this manner only you have to write the written notice. If you want to give to your friend, if you want to give to your mother, father, any notice you have to write. Yes, so in this manner only you have to write this notice. Okay students, so let's move to next type of invitation card. Yes, let's move to next page. Many times the school authorities have to communicate with your parents. How is it done in your school? How are written communication sent? Okay, so this is one of the question for you. Many times the school authorities means what? The principal, the trustee members, the teachers. Okay, so all these members, they want to talk with your parents. So it is not possible to call again and again to the school to your parents. That time what all the school authorities will do? Yes, so which way they will accept to communicate with your parents? So how? So there are so many ways to communicate with your parents. Yes, there is a phone call, then there is a notice they can send by you. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to find that with the help of your teacher and write it. Okay, so the next point is, with your teacher's help, get 2 or 3 specimens of the notice announcements put up on the school notice board. Okay, so see, with the help of your teacher, your class teacher, you have to just get that announcement which put on the school notice board, and you have to just write it. ओके, सो देखो बच्चों, यहाँ पे क्या बोला है कि जैसे कि आपके स्कूल के जो मेंबर्स है वो आपके मम्मी पापा के साथ कैसे कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, कौन से वेज है, वो आपको क्या करने हैं. You have to understand that, you have to that collect and you have to write in your notebook. Yes, so let's move to another type of invitation card. Okay, so see, teachers made phone calls to some special invitees. Here is a sample of one such telephone conversation. Okay, so see, there were all the members of that New Vision school. They were just busy to invite all the people, yes, who they wanted to join in that inauguration program. Yes, so some teachers has just phone call to some person and here is the conversation of that telephone. Okay, so let's see what and to whom that teacher has called. Okay, so see, receptionist. Hello, Girgaon Times. Okay, so Girgaon Times means what? Yes, this is the name of newspaper, Girgaon Times. Okay, so the teacher has called to, yes, this name is Girgaon Times. So Girgaon Times means this is the name of any newspaper. Okay, this is one of the newspaper name and she has called, definitely she has called maybe to the editor or maybe to reporter. Okay, so see, teacher, what she said to that person. Good morning, I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Yes, so he is the male teacher. So, and what was the name? Ajinkya. Okay, so he said, good morning, I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Okay, so the teacher has asked and she wanted to talk with editor Mr. Shashank. Okay, now receptionist answer, just a second. Just a second. Okay, then teacher again said, thank you. News editor. Now the receiver is with news editor and he said, hello Mr. Ajinkya, Shashank speaking. How are you? Okay, so he said, yes, Shashank is here and how are you? So teacher said, yes, fine, how are you? Again news editor said, news editor answered, fine. Okay, so teacher said, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. Okay, now see that Mr. Ajinkya means teacher has told everything about his new project and that is seeing eyes helping hands. Okay, so he has just described all the things about that project. Okay. Then the inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. Okay, so that teacher has told that editor all the things and about the inauguration program of that project. Yes, he also said what is the date, what is the day, what is the timing of that inauguration program. Yes, and he said we will send you the official invitation card to you. Okay, so news editor, what he said? I see. Teacher, our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. Okay, so the teacher said that editor why we are arranging this program. Yes, so he has explained why they were just arranging that program. Yes, so it was related to social work. Yes, so they wanted to aware all the students about the social work. Okay, and as well as they wanted to see all the another school, they were also aware of this social work. Yes, so what he want to tell that editor? We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. Okay, so see, here the teacher wanted to tell that editor that you come to our program and you just shoot all the program. Yes, that all the other and another school students can see the program and they also were aware of this social work. Okay, so what the news editor has told? Yes, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day, but as you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. Yes, so see, he has known about this social work and he has ready to come to the school. Why? Because this is one of the important work. Yes, important project of their school. Okay, so he has ready to come to the school. And what he is asking next? See. Yes, so when did you say is the function? Means what is the date of function? What is the date? Where? What and why? All the question he asked to teacher. So the teacher has told this Sunday at 10 in the morning. Okay, so the teacher has told everything about the timing, day, date, venue, everything he has told to editor. Yes, now news editor. Fine, I have made a note of it. Okay, so news editor ने क्या बताया? Yes, I have noted your point as well as the time and date and venue. Yes, so teacher has said thank you so much. Okay, yes, so seeing that news editor reply, he teacher said okay, thank you so much sir, because news editor he just became ready to come to the school. Okay, see now, this is an oral invitation. Yes students, this is an oral invitation. Okay, the teacher has taught by the telephonic, yes, by the phone. Okay, with that news editor. So this is an oral invitation. जैसे कि आप लोग आपके जो फ्रेंड्स रहते हैं उनको कॉल करके उनको अपने कोई घर के फंक्शन का जैसे इन्विटेशन देते हो, उनको इनवाइट करते हो. Yes, that is the type of oral invitation. So we have learned here on this part oral invitation. Okay students, so in this manner we have to talk with others, okay, in polite word. Okay, so let's move to next type of invitation. Okay, we'll see the next page, and here is the note of that which students will tell to their parents. Yes, so when they will reach to their house, how they will tell about this inauguration program of this project. Okay, so let's see how they have written here. Students passed on the message to their parents. Here is the sample. Okay, so see, Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday, the 9th, said Samir. Okay, so this is the student and his name is Samir. Okay, so Samir has told to Mummy, means his mother, all the information about inauguration program. Okay, so he said that Mummy, you and father both are invited to this inauguration program. Yes, so see, what's the occasion? Mother has asked, what is the program? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Okay, so he has answered and he has told the name of program. There is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Okay, so he had said that there is the inauguration program and in the morning at 10 o'clock. Okay, students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Okay, so obviously he was in 7th standard, then only he can invite their parents. Okay, so he said only 7th standard students and their parents invited to the school. Okay, where is it? Yes, so mother again asked another question, where is it? In the school assembly hall. So he has told the venue of the project inauguration program in the assembly hall of their school, New Vision High School. How long will it be? Okay, so what is the timing? What is the timing of that program? Mother asked again. So about an hour. Miss Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. Okay, so he has answered to mother's question. How long it will be? Yes, so it will be of 1 hour. Okay, and Miss Naik, she was going to inaugurate that, means she was going to open that program. Okay, now see, I see, and what's this project about? Okay, so all the things means why, where, when. Yes, so all the questions she asked to that Samir. Yes, and Samir has answered very nicely to the yes, again she has asked that what is the program, what is the actual program. Yes, and what is the project. Yes, can you give the information of that project? Yes, so oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others, turn by turn. They'll explain that on Sunday. Okay, so see, actually what is the information about this project? Yes, Samir has known about that project. What? Yes, said his mother that we will go out of the society, we will go in the society and we will just help others, we will try to help others turn by turn. And in the deeply, we will get the knowledge about this project on Sunday. Okay, so you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Okay, so mother, another question asked to Samir that you are going to participate in this project, in this social work. So Samir answered, yes mummy. Yes, so Samir has agreed to that program and he has participated in this social work. Let's see, daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. Okay, so mother has answered Samir that both means mother and father, they cannot go to the school, but one of them means either mother or father, they will go and attend the program. Yes, that would be nice because Mr. Ajinkya had specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. Okay, so the class teacher of 7th, who was there? Yes, Mr. Ajinkya. So Samir was telling to his mother that Mr. Ajinkya was just specially invited all the parents of 7th standard students. So it is better to come any of you. Okay, either mother or father. Yes student, so see, this is the another oral invitation. This is the type of another oral invitation. First was telephonic. Yes, by the telephone Mr. Ajinkya has invited to news editor. So this was also oral invitation and this is also oral invitation, the another type of oral invitation. Yes, so here are some type of invitations. Okay, so do you understand all the type of how to write invitation in different manner? Okay, so we have seen first formal invitation. Yes, then another oral invitation. Okay, so see student, and one more thing, notice. Yes, means read invitation. This is also we have seen in this lesson. Okay, so in this manner we have completed this lesson. So what you have to do? Yes, you try to write the different invitation of your function. Yeah, so you write the invitation and send it to your friends. Okay, you can write the different invitation card and you can send it to your relatives too. Okay students, so do you understood? Good. So we will finish this video here and we'll meet in next video with the exercise which is given below in this lesson. Till then, thank you.